Now to breaking news this morning. A raging fire at a New Jersey construction site is now under control.
Firefighters in Maplewood had been battling the flames for hours. CBS News' Bauman joins us live from the scene with the details. Allie?
That's right. Well, the air is still filled with the smell of smoke. There are crews from 24 different fire companies here that have been working all morning. They put the flames out earlier today, are now working to keep the building from starting back up again. Take a look behind me, the front of this building. You can see what this apartment building would have looked like when it was supposed to open in just a few weeks. A very different scene now in the back of the buildings. It started around 1:30 a.m. at 200 Boyden Avenue in Maplewood. The fire started on the top floor of this apartment building complex that's still under construction. Now, no one was living inside, and there were no injuries, but the Maplewood fire chief said the building was almost completed with about 200 units that were built and 30 that were ready to be moved into in just 6 weeks. Now, what made this a more difficult fire to put out was that this was an active construction site. There was hazardous equipment, and firefighters had to maneuver around the dangerous active work zones.
The whole top floor of this building on the left half was fully involved with flames coming out of the roof. We had to position our equipment far enough from the building that they were not going to get in the collapse zone or exposed to the fire. Initially, we started our attack on the outside to knock down the largest amount of fire, and then we were able to get into the building. It's all one big building, but a different stairwell, and fight it from the interior.
The cause of the fire is still under investigation. Crews are expected to be out here throughout the day, keeping this building from starting back, the fire from starting back up again, and trying to find out what caused this fire. Now, one thing to note is that the company that owns this building, Avalon, did have a similar situation 2 years ago in Edgewater when another construction site also went up in flames. We're live in Maplewood this morning. Allie Bauman, CBS 2 News.